Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. Today I have a 2019 Kia Cerato. I'm just going to show you where you top up each of the fluids on the car. So obviously we're going to open up the bonnet to do this. So come over to the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle. Just come down in the footwell and pull that lever. And then go back to the front of the car. Just above the Kia badge there is a lever. We're going to push that to the left, lift that up, and then we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once you're happy your bonnet's safe and secure, just get familiar with around the engine. So we've got the main cover plate there where we've got the coil packs and spark plugs underneath there. Obviously this is your battery, fuse box, air box, and then your radiators down the front here. So this is where we actually top up our coolant. So making sure you don't go beyond the maximum line down the bottom. Now the other thing you can do, if it is really low, you may want to check on your radiator levels, but do not do this when the car is hot or has been on. So we'll do that when the car's been cold and resting, say overnight, making sure that's topped up first, and then we're going to go ahead and top that up to the maximum. The other things we've got over the left hand side is, this is your washer fluid bottle. So just putting your normal solution in there for washer fluid. We've got .3 or 4 brake fluid just here. I would always go with .4, but it's a personal choice. And then the other thing is obviously our dipstick here, which just pulls straight out, and then our oil filler. So nice and simple. One of the things you will have noticed is there's no power steering fluid, and that's because this car actually has electronic power steering. Now, very quick video for you. I hope you found it interesting or helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.